Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. It's very long time I haven't no upload any video on my channel because of some my private reason. And I also think about what content I will make next time. After that, I decided to take red time. No content, no filming, just rest. Then I got a trip with my parents. I know, actually, my whole family to refresh. This is the first time my big family got a vacation together. It's just a short trip, 2 days, 1 night, but I'm so happy to see my every single people in my family enjoy and happy with this trip. We are on the way to Laguna Resort. It's located near Langko Bay in Chiang Mai region, overlooking the East Sea, an area renowned for its pristine coastline, natural scenery. It's very nice day. Look at the sky. It's really clear with few white clouds. The sun is shining brightly and dazzling my eyes. We took 1 hour 20 minutes to Laguna Resort. Finally, we arrived. While waiting check-in, we are playing around at the dressing room. They look really excited with this game. I just walking around, take some pictures. Downstairs is restaurant, and we will have a breakfast there. From here, I can see outside. It's the golf course. It's super sunny outside, and it's just early afternoon. But there are some people playing golf there. Hmm, beautiful sight from above here. After finish checking, we receive the keys and go to the Laguna Park residence. We stay at two houses next to each other. Go inside and let me quick introduce you the house. The house had everything like a normal house with living room, kitchen, toilet, and the backyard at the first floor. Upstairs to second floor, we had two bedrooms with full furniture. From here, I can see the backyard down there. It's green. I love the interior design, really warm and cozy. Look at my outfit today. I'm wearing midi skirt with orange and pair it with a crop top with lighter orange and wearing a white button-up shirt outside. I transformed skirt and tank top from an old clothes, and I also made the button-up shirt. I will link the links of all my outfits at the description box, and you can check out the way I make them if you like. Now I'm starting to hang on my clothes up. I love the closet. It's really spacious, neat and tidy, with vanity inside. Then I change clothes for water activities. The colors of nature seem brighter and more vibrant on the weekend. It can be a great time to enjoy outdoor activities. There are so many water activities here, like kayak, surfboard, stand-up paddleboard, water ski, etc. But we just play some game around the canoe.
Bên đeo bằng tay đi nữa. Đeo bằng tay.
Then we are walking to the biggest swimming pool here. I love the shared swimming pool more than the private swimming pool because I love the atmosphere here. Crowded, annoying, laughing, screaming, and the sound of the ocean waves. And then we back the house, taking shower and changing clothes for dinner. We got a small barbecue party at the backyard. The employees already settled all food when we are still inside. Wow, so many food, full of food on the table. There is a stay behind our house. It's a party of a certain company. My sister-in-law is preparing to grill. We got meat like beef, pork, chicken, and shrimp sausage. A lot. My siblings are gathered around the griller to help her, but the fire is huge and we can't control it. And finally, the grilled meat is burned. It's all black, outer layer, but still good. We all enjoy food and dinner. We eat a lot and very full. After dinner and taking rest a while, we are buzzing around the house. That is so funny.
Chạy nhánh quả lắm, quả
Everyone
chắc.
also love it, especially my parents. They are like back to yard, very romantic.
Hello. Ơi. Đây đây quả bên đây của nè.
The air in the early morning is so fresh and pure. So good. The sun high behind the tree. It's still quiet now. My father, my nephew, and I are biking to the peak to see the sunrise. Look, it's so beautiful, stunning, and tortured. Actually, this is like beauty of nature. I love this sense. When everyone wakes up, we are walking to the other beach. It's front of the shared swimming pool. I can feel the rays of sunshine in the early morning. It's not sharp and harsh, but it's really warm and fresh. The beach right now are filled with people of various age groups. It's amazing. After that, we back the house, taking shower and changing clothes for having breakfast. I'm wearing a haunted dress that I made. I'll link all of my clothes that I made on the discussion board that you can check the way I made it. Then we take a golden boat and make a tour around the canal. Both sides of this canal are covered with green grass and a lot of tree. I feel like commute with the nature, really comfortable and relaxed. I can't describe my feeling right now, but I think this trip is very, very precious to me and my family too. It's connect every single people in my family together. It's rare that we have the opportunity to eat together, talk together, play together with all family members at the same time. And especially, I can see my parents still healthy to enjoy it with our. Thank you. Thank you so much. I hope we have many more meaningful tips like this. Thank you for watching and see you next vlog. Don't forget to love your parents, your family, the people that you love when you still can.